Welcome back! 32 LED circular chaser circuit using 555 timer and 74HC595 IC. Ever wondered how to create smooth, eye-catching LED motion without using Arduino? In this video, I'll show you how a simple 555 timer generates clock pulses and how the 74HC595 shift register turns those pulses into a clean, circular LED chasing effect. You'll see how the LEDs are arranged, how the timing is controlled, and how the circuit loops continuously for a professional-looking animation. If you're into electronics DIY projects, this build is beginner-friendly, low-cost, and perfect for learning LED sequencing the right way. For the full circuit explanation, component list, and step-by-step guide, visit sekhohub.site. Like, comment, subscribe for more electronics DIY projects.